God help those who help themselves. English story. Once on a hot summer day, a crow was flying in the sky. The crow felt thirsty. He landed on the ground and searched for water everywhere. After searching hard, he found a pitcher. He looked into it and found that there was very little water at the bottom of the pot. The crow tried to get the water by putting his beak inside the pitcher, but unfortunately the water was out of his reach. The poor thirsty crow thought that he would die due to thirst, but he did not want to give up. He looked around to find a way to get out of this situation. The crow saw some pebbles on the ground. He thought for a while and started to pick up the pebbles and dropped them into the pitcher one by one. That caused the level of water to rise, and soon the water came up. The thirsty crow drank the water and flew away happily. Moral: God helps those who help themselves. Necessity is the mother of invention. Nothing is impossible. Where there is a will, there is a way. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.